folks. One of the biggest things I hear is that this packing back into the bag is one of the harder things to do. This is going to be my first time attempting to do this, so I'm going to follow these instructions. I'm going to deflate it, and we're going to see how it goes. After that, I'll re-inflate it. I'm going to try to put my spin on it. I've seen a couple of hints and tricks online, but we'll see how it goes. Let's do this. There's got to be a better way. I'm gonna try to redo this, maybe follow this a little closely, but I tried to freelance, I tried folding new techniques. Maybe after it's broke in and a little more pliable, but as of right now, yeah, it's not working. I get where all the frustration comes from on all the websites. Finally got there. It wasn't easy. Took the tackle rack off, the rocket rack. I had to take the sand spear sheath off because it was just creating such a big point during the folding process. I do have room in the top, but that was a lot harder than I thought it would be. I've got to figure out a better way to do this, but I'm a believer. All the forum comments, everything else. I won't lie, I thought for sure, no, it's no big deal, I got this. Well, I eventually did, but my goodness. I think that was a little harder than it should have been. The product is engineered amazing. However, that whole folding process, if this duffel was built for the end user, when they get done paddling, they roll up. It's going to be wider, shorter. Like, it just seems to me this is the last item left to engineer. Because, like anything, once you unbox it, it never goes back in that original packaging. So, other than that, I mean, we got there. But my paddleboard, it's taken a couple of years, but now when I roll it up, I can slide it right into the backpack, no big deal. So hopefully, with use, this becomes easier. I guess I'm just gonna have to go fishing more. I'm gonna have to paddle more, and you know, I'm not even gonna say that's terrible. So hopefully, let's say 6 months from now, I do a follow-up video. This thing folds up, puts away, we're done. We're popping the top rather quickly. But until then, I'm gonna figure out a better way to do this. So hopefully there'll be a video following, but to all you in the Boat Club Facebook page, you said it, I did it, you were right. Cheers.